Hello students, welcome to our channel. In today's class of entrepreneurship, we'll discuss about business ethics. So what does business ethics means? First of all, what does the ethics means? Ethics refers to a well-founded standard or right and wrong. Means it says about well-founded. Okay, what is right, what is wrong in a business that prescribe what an individual ought to do, usually in terms of right obligation, benefit for the society, fairness or specific virtues. Means those standards that impose reasonable obligation on an individual to refrain from social and moral evils such as stealing, murder, assault, and fraud. These are called ethics. Ethics also means that the continuous effort on the part of individual for betterment or moral belief and conduct. Okay, so these are the called ethics. Now, what does ethics in business it means? It means fairly means to conduct business with a human touch in order to give welfare for the society. Comprises of study of proper business policies, practice, controversial issues such as corporate governance, inside traders, corporate social responsibility, often guided by law or provided basic framework that business may choose to follow in order to gain public expectancies. Ethics are just a study of business situation, activities, decision about what is right, what is wrong. Okay, inside the trading, organization, corporate responsibility. Okay, corporate governance. This all about ethics means we should mention about proper fair and true guidelines for the business which benefit the society so that no unfair means can be adopted. Now we'll see what are the importance. It is important to attract the customers for the farm which can boost their sale and profit, making employee wanting to stay in the business during labor turnover and therefore increasing productivity. Means make the employee to retain in the organization and increase the labor productivity and earn good amount of profit. Attracting investors and keeping the share price high, protecting the business from takeover. So they attract the investors, keep the business price high from the so that it can avoid the takeover fairness. Okay, so how the entrepreneurship should follow, why it is important for the entrepreneur, because some practice to be followed by entrepreneur. Why? Because it provide ethics. From ethics will come to know about providing quality and correct quantity of good consumer, keeping in mind the environmental issue for the production, paying minimum and correct wages to the workers. There should not be any child use, or you can say child labor in production purpose. Judicious use of natural resource. Means the entrepreneur also should follow for the following guidelines regarding the use of regarding the conducting their business operation. That's why ethics is important. Ethics, it's only a moral conduct, the way of behavior to govern the business, in among the society and provide a better and fair look. Of course, to increase the profit, maximize the profit, paying good amount of remuneration, salary to their employee. Okay, and this way increasing their labor productivity also. Now students, please do like, subscribe and comment to our channel.